Hi guys, welcome to Caribbean Blend, and today I want to show you how to make Jamaican authentic rice and peas using canned peas and canned coconut milk. Have you ever tried this method? Now let's get into the tutorial. This is a very beginner friendly, easy method, so if you've never made rice and peas before, follow this step-by-step tutorial and trust me, you won't regret it. You'll become a master at making your own rice and peas. So first, you want to get a pot with some water, and then you want to open up your canned peas and pour both cans into the pot. I usually use 2 cans because it gives me the right consistency and the right amount of peas that I want and the right color. I usually use the black peas when I'm making rice and peas using the can because it gives me the right color that I want. When I use the kidney beans, you can use the kidney peas too from the can, but I don't find that it gives me the right color. I think it gives the rice a white color, right? And I don't like that. So for me to get like something will look like the red peas, me use the black peas. So after your pot was put on the fire and it come to a boil, now you want to add your coconut milk. All right, and after your coconut milk, we're gonna add some powder seasoning. We're gonna add some onion powder, and then we're gonna add some garlic powder, and then we're gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. After our all-purpose seasoning, we're gonna add our green seasoning, which is consists of some scallion, some thyme, a little scotchy, some pimento seed aka allspice, and 1 chopped clove of garlic. All right, and then I'm going to add some coconut oil also in there. I didn't make the editing, but I did put coconut oil in, and you can use vegetable oil if you want, or butter. This will help to loosen up the rice so it doesn't come out clumpy and sticky, right? Because we're not making sticky rice, we're making shelly rice. So after you did that, this probably boiled for like 20 minutes, and in between the 20 minutes, I would think every 5 minutes I was there stirring the rice around. And why this is done? To keep the rice from sticking under the bottom of the pot. Rice and peas tend to stick and burn fast if you do not stir it. And also you want to make sure while you're doing this, at this point, the rice is steaming and not boiling. That means you need to keep your pot, your fire on low level. Maybe 2 or 3 if you're using an electric stove, and if you're using a gas stove, I don't know the lowest temp that you can put it on. All right, I'm using an electric stove, so mine is usually on 2 or 2.5. Okay. After that is done, as you can see here, I'm stirring again. The rice is almost finished. At this point, I need to let it steam for another 10-15 minutes, and then it will be ready to eat and serve and eat. Okay. Again, this is a good way to learn how to make rice and peas, because it's not an easy thing to make if you try to make it from scratch. So if you're a beginner, this is a very beginner friendly tutorial, and I encourage you to try it this way. If you know how to make rice and peas and you never use the can, let me know why, and if you've ever tried it, and if you are going to try it. So here you have it, guys. Rice and peas with coconut milk using canned peas, the canned black peas. All right, this is my tutorial. This is the way that I do it. Sometimes if I'm in a rush and I do not want to go from scratch, I do use the canned peas. All right, And there you have it. And this is my homemade calabash. And this was so delicious, and I hope you try it. And if you do, please let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next tutorial.